So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Richard Craft Professional. So today we bring something more prettiest interesting haircut. It's called like butterfly layers for a medium hair. This time something silky, straight and pretty good hair she have in it, and something wavy hair texture you can see with end of the day with that. So in this haircut we're going to be seeing something proper transformation after the butterfly layer haircut. She is getting first time to the haircut, for exactly with particularly she came for that haircut and she was pretty much excited for look forward. And every times we used to get it done with haircuts and something kind of different techniques, but butterfly layer similarly will take something like same previous sections and graduations and elevations. Each and everything will be carried forward as it is, the remains to be same. So hope you all are interested about what's this kind of subject, and each and every times to be get to know about we are willing to be improve the more and more technical skills and haircut ethics at all. If you really know very well about the haircuts, and if you want to learn more haircut ethics and haircut techniques for offlines, please go to the comments below. You can get the contact number, you can just contact us from there. So after that sections I'm explaining help up to the comb from all the sides. Let's get started with a one length basic convert from start to beginning. So if you're really new to my channel, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started with the complete of transformations. One length haircut is going to be finished as soon as possible. Then after we just start to the bottom haircut, it seems with the one length. After we just do the bottom layering, the graduations. So because that is a foundation and fundamentals which can be create the elevation up to the crown portions and top of the nape area, top of the ear, and all these sections and all. So we step by step each and every sections we elevate according to with need to how to we just carry forward a layering techniques and each and everything. After that I'm cross checking both the sides. Then I just very tiny bit with small section I divided for a guideline, and rest of there I'm plating. And after that I just divide the sections and I take that guideline as guideline. I'm just taking that one and elevating help up through that guideline for towards to the carry forward as a guideline. So if you have any doubts or any questions, please let me know in the comments below. We'll definitely will update, and we can improve more as well for according to the haircuts and each and everything. So if you're really new to my channel, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because each and every time I bring such contents towards to you, whoever wants to be learn something haircuts with clean and neat finishing with proper sectioning, each and everything you will be learn from this tutorial videos. So one side section will be going to finished. So after that I'm cross checking. So again I'll come to another side, and the previous guideline picking from the previous haircut sides, and the rest of the hair just as it is following the as guideline techniques and merging in the layers. Step by step vertical section, thin section I'm picking. Remember guys, whenever you do the haircuts elevations, as much as thin sections you can just take, that much haircut will be finishing will be good. The last section will be going to finished, and after that this one also I'm cross checking. So all the things are gone finished, and finally I'll come to the side portion, and that I'm just giving to be one length basic before add a layers. The previous guideline pick from the back side, and rest of the hair now I'm just going to merge towards the layers. So that is called complete of elevation from side sections. Step by step thin section I'm just picked. After that, I'm cross checking. After that, I'll come to another side, and before start the layer in the same thing, following the one line basic. After that, previous guideline pick from the back, and now I'm just going to merge towards the layers all the remain here. After that, I'm cross checking. So finally we have come to the horseshoe section, center of the crown. Now just pick as it is the center profile, and this portion as connecting with the guidelines, the previous one which we done it, and just slightly diagonal forward. I'm just taking the sections and all here just pushing towards the exactly center of the crown, because I want to add more bouncier layer. At the same time, I want to save the crown hair length as well. After that, I'll come to another side. The same technique I'm following up, just overlapping bit more center of the crown exactly, all the hair. After that, I'm cross checking both the sides. Finally, we're going to be release the fringe section. The hair very little bit of dry, we're just spraying for some water to make something moist and all. After that, divide the center profile and just very thin section I just picked, and merging in the layer come curtain banks in that portions at exactly 120 degree. According you can just see from the front of the crown as it is, and the fringes it will be going to carry forward very flexible and neat and layer by layer. At the same time, the curtain banks visible very clean and neat as well. It's never visible anything in bulk and bunchy. So that is the things why we just taking as layer base up to the fringe cuts, which can be make softly blend all the hair and visible very flexible and clean and neat finishing. After that, I'm showing her to the complete of messy hair before blow dry, the how was the cut, carry forward each and everything. So semi dry after also I'm showing her the before styling with complete of the hair, how was carry forward after wash and all. After that, finally we have start to the blow dry, which means it will be need to require to give proper finishing up to the haircut. And presentation purpose, we just has to be give a clean finishing for a blow dry, and that can be make something more shiner, bouncier and flexible hairstylings. Spiral blow dry is majorly it's give a good finishing and bouncy and volume, that all things will be covered in one blow dry trick. And after that, I'll come to another side. I will come to the side portion. Another sudden just come. At the same techniques, we just carrying forward the styling as well, which is makes something bouncier look for purpose. We're giving a spiral blow dry. It will be cover overall the hair. It will clean and neat finishing bouncer, and outlooks will become the out curls as well. And the after texture, it will visible very flexible, and finishing was awesome end of the day. So this is my secret of which can be carry any kind of haircut after stylings will be makes more challengeable for each and everyone. The presentation, if you can learn properly, this is one of the best technique of the hairstyling and blow dry according with we are as a beginners, and even the mastering in the hairstylings and hair blow dries and all. The crown portion also is got released, and finally I'll come to front curtain bangs fringe portions and just by adding the blow dry. That also is got finished. So this is called the final look which we did a butterfly layer haircut. So it visible very flexible and clean and nice, shimmer shine and glossy finishing. You can just see with complete of the haircut and blow dry finishing and all. I hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. From the front you can just see which was much more flexible and visible, very bouncer look, and the finishing was really great. And the bouncier it will become, you can just see the crown portions how we did it, and it will visible very clean and neat finishing as well. So after this we just start the texture finishing. The texture finishing which can be carry forward the hair layer what we did it, and never going to be hidden at least 3 to 4 months, which shape will be remains and visible clean and neat as well. Step by step all the section we just going to finish the texture. The crown portion also texture got finished. The last curtain bangs only will remain, and that also is going to be finished the texture. So after this you can just see with massive changes on the haircut finishing. It will be something more boon up, and after that I'm just praying for Shashkov holding trick factor 5-1, which is can visible more shiner and flexible finishing. So the styling products will be remains, the hair styling will be proper and clean finishing and visible clean and neat as well. I hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Will we meet up to the next video with a different concept. If you're really looking forward something offline courses, we dropped in the contact details in the description below. Go and check out there, and we'll be meet up to the next time for a next upcoming videos. Until take care and be safe.